नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Dr. Lily Trivedi from the Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences, and today I am going to take on the subject Fundamentals of Crop Physiology. The session is Functions and Deficiency Symptoms of Macronutrients. Now, what are macronutrients? Macro elements or macronutrients are elements which are required by the plants in large quantities, that is 1 to 10 micrograms. And these elements we are going to take in detail. The first element is nitrogen. It is important constant of proteins, nucleic acids, phosphorines, alkaloids, vitamins, coenzymes, and thus it plays a very important role in metabolism, growth, reproduction, and heredity. Now, the deficiency symptoms, as you can see, the plant becomes stunted because protein content, cell division, and cell enlargement are decreased. So, this nitrogen deficiency causes chlorosis in the leaves, and the yellowing of older leaves is affected first. In many plants like tomato, the stem and petiole and the leaf veins become purple color due to the formation of anthocyanin pigment. The second macro element is phosphorus. As we all know, it is important constituent of nucleic acid, phospholipids, coenzymes, NADP, NADH, BPH2, ATP. So it is an important constituent of proteins and cell membranes. It plays important role in protein synthesis. The coenzymes NAD, NADP, and ATP play an important role in energy transfer reactions of cell metabolism. That means for photosynthesis, respiration, and fat metabolism. Now, the deficiency of phosphorus may cause premature leaf fall. Dark necrotic areas develop on the leaves and fruits, and leaves turn dark green to bluish green in color. Sometimes purplish color is due to synthesis and accumulation of anthocyanin pigment. The third element we are going to study is potassium. Now, it is not a constituent of the important organic compound of cell, but it is very essential for respiration and photosynthesis, as it acts as activator of many enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism and protein synthesis. It regulates stomatal movement and thereby regulates the water balance. The deficiency of this produces mottled chlorosis. Necrotic areas develop at the tip and margins, and the plant remains stunted with shortening of internodes. Calcium, it is an important constant of cell wall, formation of cell membranes, stabilizes the chromosome structure, and is an activation for many enzymes. Calcium deficiency can cause disintegration of growing meristematic regions of root, stem, and leaf. The chlorosis occur along the margins of young leaves, and malformation of young fruits takes place. Magnesium is a very important constituent of chlorophyll. It acts as an activation of many enzymes in nucleic acid synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism. It is the main structure of chlorophyll molecule, and it plays an important role in the binding of ribosomal particles during protein synthesis. Now, the deficiency of magnesium causes mottled chlorosis with veins green and yellow, tissues yellow or white, appearing first on older leaves. Dead necrotic patches appear on the leaves, and in cotton, magnesium deficiency leads to reddening of leaves and is called reddening in disorder in cotton. Sulfur is also an important constituent of amino acids. Some amino acids like cysteine, methionine, cysteine, and other amino acids which form the protein. It stabilizes the protein structure and is an important constituent of vitamin like coenzyme A, thymine, and biotin. Sulfur hydroxyl groups are necessary for the activity of many enzymes. Now, deficiency of enzyme, it causes chlorosis of the leaf, tips and margin of leaf roll inward, and the stem becomes very hard due to the development of sterling thyme. So thank you, students. The reference was taken from AgriMoon, Crop Physiology, and BIJUS. And this session is over. I hope you found it interesting. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment box. And this session was powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Namaste.